In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install QuillBot on Google Docs. Boost your writing with QuillBot. QuillBot is a powerful writing assistant that helps you paraphrase, check grammar, and improve clarity right inside Google Docs. Let's walk through the setup from start to finish so you can get it installed quickly and correctly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Google Docs and press Enter. Click the official Google Docs website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in to your Google account so you can access your documents. Once Google Docs loads, create a new document by clicking the big plus sign for a blank document. This gives us a clean workspace and lets us install the add-on from within Docs. Look to the top menu bar and click Extensions. From there, open Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons. This will launch the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is the trusted place to find and install tools that work with Docs. At the top of the Marketplace window, use the search box and type QuillBot. You should see QuillBot for Google Docs in the results. Open it, then click Install. A prompt will appear asking for permission to continue. This is normal for Marketplace add-ons. Next, select your Google account to link the add-on. Choose your account and click Continue. You'll see a list of permissions that QuillBot needs in order to function in Docs, such as the ability to read and process text you select. Review these, and when you're ready, click Allow. The installation will begin and may take a few moments, so just wait while it finishes. When the installation completes, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Done to close the window. That's it. QuillBot is now installed. You're all set to enhance your writing directly in Google Docs. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you're using a school or work account and don't see the install option, your administrator may have restrictions in place. Check with them if needed. Internet connectivity can affect installation speed, so give it a moment if things seem slow. After installation, you'll find QuillBot in the Extensions menu whenever you're working in a document. Features may vary depending on whether you're using the free or premium version, but the installation process is the same. You've successfully installed QuillBot on Google Docs. Enjoy smoother, clearer writing, and thanks for following along.